Let's start this exercise by setting up a lab environment to play with. For the purposes of the demo, we're leveraging Killercoda so you can follow along in a live environment without any local setup. I've also linked the GitHub repo in the description below, which contains all the YAML manifest and the resources you'll need for these exercises. Navigate to the GitHub repo link in the video description, or alternatively, you can click on the Killercoda link below to start creating the necessary resources for our lab exercise. To keep our focus strictly on the network policies, we're using Nginx pods to simulate our full stack environment. This gives us a lightweight, predictable way to test connectivity between our frontend, middleware, and database layers without the overhead of complex setup. We're going to spin up our infrastructure, which consists of 3 distinct namespaces: frontend, middleware, and backend. And inside those, we'll deploy our web app, middleware, and MySQL pods so we have a live environment to test our policies.